Did you say goodbye to the mailman or mail lady?
Yeah.
The mail girl?
The mail lady. Shut up, Ada.
James,
Sorry.
you better knock it off.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
I'm not joking around anymore. I'm getting tired of it.
You're getting tired of smack me?
Yes, I'm getting tired of you saying that. It's not nice.
Okay. Okay, it's not nice.
That's right.
Okay. Shut up is not nice.
That's right.
Yeah. And shut up is not nice.
So stop saying it.
And stupid is not nice.
No.
And damn is not nice.
James.
And
James. Stop while you're ahead.
hate is not nice.
That's right. Now stop it.
And
Don't make me turn this camera off, James.
yeah. Turn it off. Oh, no, don't turn it off. Press down again.